Want to find exactly what you need in a big table? Let's filter like a pro just using a few simple keywords. Start with where. It filters rows that match a condition, like only students with score above 90. Like helps match patterns. A ampersand means names that start with A. Ampersand is a wildcard. It matches anything. Want specific names? Use in. It checks if a value is in a list. Super clean, no multiple ors. Between is perfect for ranges. It includes both ends, 90 and 80 in this case. You can combine filters using and, or, and parentheses for more control. Want to find top customers, filter transactions, segment students. These tools make it happen. Mastering filters gives you control. It's like talking to your data and getting sharp answers back.